Good morning, it's 2nd of June 2022, Rpra 1 Loft young birds. I did say I'm going to do a walk through just to show you them, because I think I haven't shown you them for about 3 weeks or so with a video. Just going to take you through and shut off the backs. Come on. And you can see as much of them as I can. Come on. Come on, Anne. Come on. Come on. Come on, Anne. Starting to finish off the molt. Zoom out a bit so you see a bit more. Come on, Anne. Come on. Come on. The drop-ins are good. Still on the darkness system, and they'll be on that to the 3rd week of June. Sometimes we'll take them off a few days after, depending on, and try and drop it on a weekend. So they stay in on the Saturday. Come on. Come on. Set up on the door there. Come on. James is in the back corridor, cleaning out like he does every morning. See the condition. Come on, got the camera here. Try and walk calmly around them. Come on, Anne. Come on. Come on. Dropping area. Come on. Come on. Beautiful morning. Come on then. And there's a silver pied hen up there. Unusual one. Let's see. Come on. Come on. on. Some nice condition on them. So next week, we've got paper for the trailer being delivered on Monday morning, and then one day next week they'll be loaded to start their trailer training. Beautiful mealie there, Welsh run. Come on. So yeah, they put them on the trailer and water on and what have you, and leave them on for a few hours. It takes about 4 or 5 times until they settle down with the loading. All the pigeons are from Champ Power Products. Come on. And then they have the grits in the pots, the pink minerals, make up a mixture of grits daily. Come on then. Come on. He's asking me about his white grizzles. Well, I've seen the 2 this morning. Come on. What's that, 7-minute video? Seem happy enough, guys, and anyway, next week start loading them up, and obviously I'll try and get this yearling race in, but I'm not going to rush that until obviously I need the weather right. Wish I had it today, to be honest, but I was trying to do the best for the later ones and what have you, and it would have meant that only the day birds could have gone really. But anyway, there's no rush. What's the point of rushing them if I give them even a trainer in between and then have it? It's just the weather I need. Good up Richmond, which tomorrow, when I've looked this morning, is actually deteriorated, so low cloud and a bit of rain around mid-morning, so at the moment that's no good for us. Anyway, I'll update on the yearling page later. All the best everybody. Have a great couple of days off if you're not working.